Rotary District 3011. Rotary is an international service organization whose purpose is to bring together business and professional leaders in order to provide humanitarian service and to advance goodwill and peace around the world. It is one of the most reputed and the largest service organization of the world, having presence in more than 200 countries with 544 Rotary districts. There are over 36,000 Rotary clubs worldwide with a membership of 1.2 million individuals as Rotarians. Rotary District 3011 is one of the oldest, elite and vibrant district of India. It spreads across Delhi, NCR and Haryana with 110 Rotary clubs and more than 4,200 members. The legacy of the Rotary District 3011 started 7 decades back with former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee being a Rotary member and former Prime Minister Shri I.K. Gujral being the club president in 1956 to 57, to name a few. Most of the corporate houses and businessmen, leading doctors, lawyers and professionals, leaders and diplomats of different countries are the members of this elite district 3011. Rotary District 3011 is known for its par excellence work, having plenty of flagship permanent community projects all over district and serving in all the 7 areas of focus of Rotary International. Rotarian of District 3011 are spending more than 500 crore rupees per year on the community service projects. First area of focus is disease prevention and treatment. Under the Disease and Prevention Treatment Avenue, District 3011 established Institute Rotary Cancer Hospital in AIIMS, New Delhi, and now is also a part of AIIMS Cancer Facility at Jhajjar, Haryana. District 3011 has 3 Rotary blood banks, one in Delhi with 30,000 blood units and other 2 are with 20,000 blood units each per year in Gurugram and in Faridabad. State-of-art facility at Rotary Divyang Kendra at Delhi has provided more than 50,000 artificial limbs to people belonging to weaker section of society. Rotary Eye Hospital at Karol Bagh performing surgeries at subsidized rates and greatly impacting weaker section. Rotary is also running an eye bank. Rohtak has physiotherapy center and many more health centers. Rotary Diabetes Center at Vasant Kunj has been screening, diagnosis and providing treatment to diabetic patients from last 5 years and served more than few lakhs patients in last 5 years. District has TB detection van and 3 mammography checkup vans each at Delhi, Gurugram and Faridabad, tirelessly catering service to the community. District 3011 is equipped with a dental checkup van and Rotary Diagnostic Center at Lajpat Nagar. Thalassemia van was introduced for screening and to meet the blood requirements of thalassemia patients. 3 centers for thalassemia patients are operational, one in Delhi and one each in Faridabad and other in Gurugram. District is running 9 dialysis centers including one for the pediatric patients. Second area of focus is water, sanitation and hygiene. Under the water, sanitation and hygiene or wash focus area, Rotary India Water Conservation Trust has constructed more than 100 check dams with the support of the Rotary Foundation and the PhD Chamber of Commerce and is regularly working for water initiatives. Few thousands of rainwater harvesting systems have been installed by District 3011 with the support of TRF. With the WINS program, few thousands of schools have been provided wash-in-hand facilities and few thousand toilet blocks have been built with the support of TRF. Many villages have been made ODF villages. Awareness programs and good hygiene habits have been promoted among school children. Third area of focus is basic education and literacy. District 3011 is leading the Rotary India Literacy Mission RILM flag in North India, working in all the areas of teach, providing teacher training for more than 5,000 teachers per year, supporting and running few adult literacy centers under Basic Education and Literacy Initiative. Rotary Public School was started in Gurugram 25 years back. Today, 2,200 students are enrolled and providing free education to the 25% students. To promote awareness on literacy, 1 lakh NCERT books are distributed at municipality schools per year. Fourth area of focus is community economic development. Rotary District 3011 is running many skill development centers and providing the employment through the Rotary network, including CNC Training Center at FIA Faridabad and at POSA Institute at Delhi, where automatic machines are used to train for stitching. Hospitality skill are also being taught. More than 85 singer centers are running. Through these vocational training centers, hundreds of women got economically independent. Several career counseling workshops and vocational trainings are being provided by the Rotarians. So many computer training centers are running by district and providing job skills to people. Fifth area of focus is supporting environment. Several drives and campaigns are being run to create awareness on single-use plastic. Plastic bottle crushing machines are installed at various places. People were encouraged to use environment-friendly products. Under the initiative of supporting environment, more than 5 lakh trees are being planted every year by Rotarians of District 3011. Various parks are adopted by Rotary clubs. Solar power equipment are being installed by district with the support of TRF. Sixth area of focus is maternal and child health. To support the child health initiative, various camps were organized under the polio eradication program and for other immunization programs. For the well-being of expecting mothers, good nutrition habits are being taught to them by the Rotary team. Few lakhs of sanitary pads are being produced and distributed by Rotary clubs. Seventh area of focus is peace building and conflict prevention. Under the peace building and conflict prevention focus area, bilateral talks are initiated with neighboring countries on matters of conflict. District 3011 is organizing peace conferences regularly and is engaged with UN peace process. Medical tourism is also being promoted as a part of the program under the Gift of Life program. More than 20 Rotary Friendship Exchange programs are being organized per year with various countries for the culture exchange. An Indo-Pak International Peace Committee is working and executing the joint community projects in both the countries. More than 40 global grant projects are executed every year with clubs from different countries spreading message of harmony and peace.